Hey lab technicians, are you ready to revolutionize your lab work? Meet the SELECTRA-2. It's a random access, fully automated chemistry analyzer that's about to change the way you handle your tests. First off, let's talk speed. The SELECTRA-2 can perform up to 150 tests per hour. That's right, 150. For enzymatic methods, you've got a turnaround time of just 5 minutes. And for endpoint methods, it's a swift 11.5 minutes. Efficiency at its best. Now let's dive into the components. The analyzer unit comes packed with an inbuilt computer, display, keyboard, and the main unit. The main unit houses a sample tray, reagent tray, and reaction rotor. The display is your main hub. It shows patient data, analytes to be measured, results, and quality control data. Plus, it has a memory that can store patient results for up to 6 days and quality control data for up to 30 days. The sample tray has a capacity of 60 samples. Out of these, 51 spaces are for routine samples, 3 are reserved for emergencies, and 6 for pediatric samples. Talk about organized. The reagent tray can hold up to 30 reagents, ensuring you're always prepared. The sample probe is a marvel. It aspirates the sample from the sample cup and places it in the reaction rotor cell, mixing it with the reagent. Thanks to the Hamilton syringe, it regulates the exact amount of sample to be aspirated, between 10 and 100 microliters. Similarly, the reagent probe handles the reagent, dispensing it into the reaction rotor cell with precision. Speaking of the reaction rotor, it's where the magic happens. It's a rounded plastic plate with 48 rectangular cells where samples and reagents are mixed, incubated, and measured. Replace it after 10,000 determinations, or when the baseline starts to drift. The cooling unit, located outside the main instrument, maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring optimal performance. And don't forget the vacuum pump. It's also outside the analyzer and provides the necessary suction for washing cuvettes and dispensing samples and reagents. Finally, the built-in printer is your go-to for printing results and quality control data. Convenient, right? Operating the SELECTRA-2 is a breeze with its menu-oriented software. From requesting and loading samples to evaluating results, everything is just a few clicks away. The instruction manual has got you covered with all the details. Maintenance is minimal but essential. Daily tasks include emptying the liquid waste container, refilling the system wash solution, checking the cuvette blank measurement, ensuring printer paper is stocked, and verifying the HCl levels. Weekly, clean the sample and reagent needles and check for air bubbles. Monthly, clean the system liquid and waste containers with 0.1 NaOH. The SELECTRA-2 is user-friendly and error-tolerant. It informs you of operating and system errors and even provides remedies via display messages. So there you have it. The SELECTRA-2 is your ticket to fast, efficient, and reliable lab work. Ready to revolutionize your lab? Let's get started.